G'day guys, Tim here from Grad Tests again. This is another super quick help video in our tips and tricks playlist, and this one's about making sure that you're well rested before you take any psychometric tests. So again, this series is all about mitigating risks, just finding all those little things that are going to lead you to come unstuck when you're trying to take psychometric tests and just stamping them out, trying to optimize the chance of you doing as well as possible. So this one's really simple. And it applies to pretty much anything. You need to be well rested, you need to have had a good sleep behind you before you take on any tests. You're just going to be more efficient if you're well rested, and you're going to be more likely to do well in the test. Also, the other thing is to make sure you choose the time of day carefully. We have circadian rhythms, which means we're more or less alert at different times of the day. For most people, apparently around 10 a.m. On a weekday is when they're most alert and most productive. So just think about for you when you're most productive and most alert, and try to do the test at that time. Okay, so that's a super quick help video, and if you've got any questions or comments, please leave them in the thread below. Otherwise, as always, the best way to improve your score and improve your performance in anything in life really is to practice, practice, practice. And we've got plenty of tests at gradtest.com.au where you can practice to improve your psychometric test score.